so blue that all of us knew we were in for a wonderful day. What a day! On a wonderful day like today, I defy any cloud to appear in the sky, dare any raindrop to plop in my eye. On a wonderful day like today, on a wonderful morning like this, when the sun is as big as a yellow balloon, even the sparrows are singing in tune. On a wonderful morning like this, on a morning like this, I can kiss everybody. I'm so full of love and goodwill that say more. I adore everybody to come and dine. Pleasure's mine and she will pay the bills. And we take this occasion to say that the whole human race should go down on our knees and show that we're grateful for mornings like these, for the world's in a wonderful way. On a wonderful day like today, let me say this occasion to say that the whole human race should go down on our knees and show that we're grateful for mornings like these, for the world